Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to set widgets to landscape orientation. This is especially handy if you want to use your tablet as an additional control panel for your computer. Before you begin, pair the Keyboard Extension app for Windows with the Keyboard Extension mobile app. Unauthorized users cannot create or modify widgets, so make sure you're logged in. Let's create a new widget. And let's make it a pinned widget right away, so it isn't tied to a specific app, because today we're going to create universal control buttons. Let's create 3 square buttons. We'll assign them hotkeys for saving, closing apps, and taking screenshots, just like we did in previous videos. Be sure to check those out. For the first button, we'll use the Ctrl+S key combination. For the second, Alt+F4. For the third, print screen. Let's go back to the navigation bar to add icons to the buttons. There's a separate tutorial on this on our channel as well. We'll use the standard icon library for all the buttons. Let's go back to the navigation bar and reduce the icon size to 80%. Now let's enlarge the buttons a bit and move them around. You can now move on to configuring landscape orientation. When you rotate your device, the Keyboard Extension widget editor will automatically switch to the corresponding mode. On the screen, you'll see that the 3 buttons we just created are listed under the Hidden category in the preset list. Let's open that category and add them to the screen. All their settings have been preserved, including the assigned hotkeys. Let's check this out. All that's left is to arrange the buttons conveniently on the screen. Let's quickly add one more. Assign it the Alt+Tab key combination to quickly switch between open apps. Let's pick a suitable icon for it. And let's resize the icon so it matches the others. Done. Now let's rotate the device back to portrait orientation. You'll see that the button you just created has been moved back to the Hidden category. This allows you to create new elements in one screen orientation and then quickly add them to another. Before saving, let's rename our widget. Let's save our widget and see how it rotates. The ability to customize portrait and landscape orientations will help you turn your gadget into a computer control panel that will make your life much easier. Check out my other tutorials as well. In them, I cover the rest of the useful features of Keyboard Extension.